Hey everybody, JD Houvener here, founder here at Bold Patents Law Firm, here to share one of our recent patents that got granted. This is to Jonathan Crosby, Bold Patents client, who's got a heated high chair. Now, if you've had babies or plan to have babies, something that you know, if you've been around them, is trying to feed them when they're in a high chair. And one of the problems, of course, is when you try to go feed them, when they reject the food, it just breaks your heart. I've been there before. They're throwing food, they're spitting it out, because it's not palatable. One of the major reasons why food gets rejected is about temperature. If the food is cold, it's likely not going to taste as good as if it were warm, because when you put the food there to begin with, there's a lot of playing, a lot of time passes between when the food is served from when it's potentially eaten by the child. And so Jonathan has come up with a unique solution to solve that problem of heating the actual surface of the high chair table enough to where it's going to keep any food that's on there warm for quite a while. So check out patent right here. He got patented just back in February. This is for his heated high chair. And you can see with some of the drawings, a traditional high chair is shown in the figures. And we've got the heating element right here within the tray. Now, immediately my mind went to, oh my goodness, isn't this going to heat so hot that it's going to burn the child or the hands? And no, the temperature can be turned in such that it's going to not be too hot, but keep the food warm. And so the claims here that our patent attorney, Christopher Maley, was able to get was quite broad. A high chair wherein a high chair has a backrest and a seat with legs. A heating element is housed within a high chair feeding member, so nice and generic, not necessarily the tray. It could be any part of that high chair that comes up within a cavity. And that cavity is transferred to heat and upper surface of the high chair feeding member. So it's going to conduct that heat through state-of-the-art means, no new technology in terms of the heating, but just a novel application of the electrical heat. Power coming from a battery, which is optionally a permanent battery. So that is pretty cool. So congratulations to Jonathan Crosby of Charleston, South Carolina. And also kudos to Christopher Maley, our attorney, a patent granted just a couple months ago back in February 2025. So good stuff out there. We're going to have an update for you with regard to Jonathan and the rest of his journey as he begins commercializing this invention. We're back for part 2 of this for the heated high chair. I'm JD Houvener, owner, founder, and patent attorney here at Bold Patents Law Firm. Have an awesome day. Go big, go bold.